Good morning, students of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Foundation grade 4th maths and we are doing our classwork in Student Workbook volume 2. Volume 2 we are doing block 10 creating patterns. S1 creating patterns. Creating patterns means which patterns made by us, that are called creating pattern. Okay, and we are doing our work in student workbook on page number 7. This one is our classwork. So let's start. What is the question number 1? Complete each pattern by drawing shapes in the boxes. We have to draw these shapes in these boxes and complete our pattern. Let's see what is the pattern in this question. Yes, we have first of all triangle, four-sided shape, triangle, four-sided shape. Again we have triangle, four-sided shape. Then what will come next? Yes, triangle will come next. Triangle will come next. After that, four-sided shape we have okay. Next we have B. We have rectangle in this pattern. This one is pattern of rectangle, but we have greater side and this side and up, side and up. So what will come next? Side. So draw this one. Okay, next what will come next? Yes, this one is shape of rectangle and opposite sides of rectangle always equal. Next come on question number 2. Create two patterns. That means we have to create ourselves by turning, repeating or joining any two shapes in each pattern. That means we have to use two shapes in each pattern and we have to draw this. So let's see what we have to do in this. Yes, let's start. First we are taking these two shapes. These two shapes. Okay, so we have to use by turning, repeating or joining any two shapes. Turning means we have to turn in half or quarter. Repeating means we have to repeat and joining or joining. We can use any from this. हम इसमें से कुछ भी use कर सकते हैं. So we are taking first of all start question number 2. First we are taking in first pattern we are taking these two shapes. In first pattern we are taking these two shapes. You can take any shapes from these. Okay, we are taking first these shapes. So first we have circle and we have to make a pattern. So let's start. And in pattern we can use any pattern in repetition. So we are repeating one by one. Again we will draw here circle. Next we will draw, we have in this four-sided shape. And these shapes you don't have in your 3D shapes. So you can say four-sided shapes. Again we will use circle. Now what will come next? Yes, four-sided shape will come. Okay. Next we will use in second pattern these two shapes. These two shapes. So first we have a square. Again we are drawing our square, because any type of pattern we can create. Okay, now next is pentagon, and next is square, okay students, we can use any type of pattern. We can repeat this shape also, and this you can use any type of pattern. Okay, now come on question number 3. Complete the growing pattern by turning shapes. We have to use two patterns in this. First is growing pattern, that means we have to grow in this. Grow, we have this one arrow, two arrow, 3, 4 and 5 arrows. Okay, this one is growing pattern, but we have to use turning shapes also, because in this the arrow side is upside. Okay, this one is right side. So what we will do in this, downside. And how many arrows we have to make in this? We have here 2 and we have to make here 3. Okay, we have to make here 3. Okay, next we have to turn our arrow in this side. So, and we have to make how many arrows here? Yes, 4 arrows here. Okay, next how many arrows we have to draw? 5 arrow, but upside arrow. So this one is creating pattern by turning shapes. By turning shapes, we are using creating pattern and growing pattern with turning shapes. We are turning our shapes also. 1 2 3 4, and how many arrows we have to draw here? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this one is growing pattern with turning our shapes. Okay students, I hope you all are understand. S1 S2 we will do in our next class. Till then students, bye bye.